Hi everyone, this is Professor Kurt Sebastian. Welcome again to our Calculus 1 course here in Summer Session A, 2020. I'm just doing a quick little introductory video here for week 2. As most of you know, I extended week 1. Week 1 is no longer due last night, Sunday night, May 17th. It's at 11:59 p.m. It's now due this coming Tuesday, so I'm recording this on Monday the 18th. It'll be due Tuesday the 19th. At 11:59 p.m. I know many people were still struggling, getting used to the pace of the course, etc., so that is all here still for you to work on. I'm still waiting for many of you to send me your notes, still waiting for many of you to get going on the assignments. Some of you are doing really good and understanding the pace, and some of you still need to pick it up a little bit, so please try to do that. Let's don't fall behind. I'm not going to be able to extend the week 2 assignments because we're having exam 1 at the beginning of week 3, so I need you to be completely caught up, ready to go here. Finish week 2 by Sunday night, okay, at midnight. So just a quick introduction as to what's going on here, and we still have chapter 2 to finish up. In 2.4 and 2.5, we're looking at limits still. So in section 2.3, what you just finished, you looked at the definition of the limit using epsilon delta, kind of the first abstract thing that you've really been exposed to probably in your mathematics careers. And really that's the purpose of that, is to try to get you exposed to it, a little bit of abstractness in math. When we get into 2.4 and 2.5, we're talking about one-sided limits. You'll see more about what that means. And in 2.6, we're talking about limits at infinity. So as things shoot off to infinity, can we say that the function has a limit? For example, as x goes to infinity, what does the function go to? The limit of f of x as x approaches infinity. When I say one-sided limits, we're talking about, let's say I wanted the limit of the function f of x as x approaches 1 from the left side, or from the right side only, not approaching it from both sides. All right, and then in chapter 3, we're going to cover the first 2 sections in chapter 3 before our first exam, and that's using limits to finally understand what is the derivative of a function. And in section 3.2, we actually think about the derivative is a function itself. So that's called f prime of x. And you'll see all of that stuff as you work through it. I just wanted to give you a heads up as to where we're going. Then quiz 2, due Sunday night at midnight. And exam 1, I'm actually giving you a 3-day window because Monday the 25th is technically Memorial Day. So you actually have, it'll be open first thing, 12 o'clock a.m. on Monday, May 25th. I'm going to keep it open until Wednesday night. So you have a 3-day window to take it, just in case you had plans for Memorial Day or etc. All right. Again, any questions ever, don't hesitate to reach out, ask me those questions. I'm happy to meet with you. Certainly have my office hours. Remember, office hours are scheduled on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Wednesday 3 to 5. Thursday 1 to 3, Friday 11 to 1. But I'm certainly willing to meet outside of those time blocks also, of course. Okay, good luck with week 2. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Don't hesitate.